If you want to change the lock screen clock on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, all you have to do is first of all go to settings. Now we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then go to wallpaper and style. And now let's tap on the lock screen. Over here you should be able to find your lock screen clock. You can tap on it in order to adjust it. First we have the selection of different fonts, so you can choose your favorite font. You can make it thinner or bolder by moving left and right on the slider, and you can even change the color over here. You can even pick your own color if you want to. Besides that, we can go to style in order to use a different style for the clock. You can use different watch faces, and so on and so forth. We even have some animated options that are pretty cool. We can toggle the weather information and date. We can position it either above or below the clock. And besides that, what you can also do is you can change the position of the clock. So as you can see, we can place it in different spot, and we can make it also a little bit bigger or maybe smaller if you want to. So we can make it pretty huge lock screen clock like this. Once you are done, simply press done over here in the top right corner. And that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.